Who is the first Prime Minister of India? A. Rajendra Prasad, B. Jawaharlal Nehru, C. Mahatma Gandhi, D. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Answer B. Jawaharlal Nehru. What is the capital of India? A. Mumbai, B. Hyderabad, C. New Delhi, D. Kolkata. Answer C. New Delhi. Which planet is known as the red planet? A. Venus, B. Mars, C. Jupiter, D. Saturn. Answer B. Mars. Who is known as the father of the nation in India? A. Subhash Chandra Bose, B. Mahatma Gandhi, C. Bhagat Singh, D. Jawaharlal Nehru. Answer B. Mahatma Gandhi. Which is the largest ocean in the world? A. Atlantic Ocean, B. Arctic Ocean, C. Pacific Ocean, D. Indian Ocean. Answer C. Pacific Ocean. Who invented the telephone? A. Thomas Edison, B. Alexander Graham Bell, C. Newton, D. Tesla. Answer B. Alexander Graham Bell. Which is the national animal of India? A. Lion, B. Elephant, C. Tiger, D. Peacock. Answer C. Tiger. What is the national currency of India? A. Dollar, B. Taka, C. Rupee, D. Yen. Answer C. Rupee. Which gas do plants absorb during photosynthesis? A. Oxygen, B. Nitrogen, C. Carbon dioxide, D. Hydrogen. Answer C. Carbon dioxide. Who is known as the father of computers? Tim Berners-Lee, B. Charles Babbage, C. Alan Turing, D. Bill Gates. Charles Babbage. Which is the longest river in India? A. Ganga, B. Godavari, C. Yamuna, D. Narmada. Answer A. Ganga. When is Independence Day celebrated in India? A. 26th January, B. 15th August, C. 14th November, D. 2nd October. Answer B. 15th August. Which country gifted the Statue of Liberty to the USA? A. Germany, B. France, C. England, D. Spain. Answer B. France. Which animal is the fastest on land? A. Horse, B. Cheetah, C. Tiger, D. Leopard. Answer B. Cheetah. Which is the smallest continent in the world? A. Asia, B. Europe, C. Australia, D. Africa. Answer C. Australia. Who discovered the gravity? A. Einstein, B. Newton, C. Galileo, D. Maxwell. Answer B. Newton. What is the national flower of India? A. Sunflower. B. Rose. C. Jasmine. D. Lotus. Lotus. Which is the highest civilian award in India? A. Bharat Ratna. B. Padma Bhushan. C. Padma Shri. D. Paramvir Chakra. Answer A. Bharat Ratna. Who wrote the national anthem of India? A. Rabindranath Tagore. B. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. C. Sarojini Naidu. D. Subhash Chandra Bose. Answer A. Rabindranath Tagore. Which is the coldest place on earth? A. Alaska. B. Antarctica. C. Iceland. D. Finland. Answer B. Antarctica. Which device measures temperature? A. Barometer. B. Hygrometer. C. Thermometer. D. Ammeter. Thermometer. Who was the first president of India? A. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. B. Radhakrishnan. C. Zakir Hussain. D. Nehru. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Which festival is known as the Festival of Lights? A. Holi. B. Dasra. C. Diwali. D. Eid. Diwali. Which is the largest planet in our solar system? A. Earth. B. Jupiter. C. Saturn. D. Uranus. D. Jupiter. Which country invented paper? A. Greek. B. India. C. China. D. Egypt.